On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good evening, Otter Gang, gang, gang. What is going on, everybody? Happy Asian session, ni hao. Oh, man, here we are. You guys ready to press the short button? I'm ready. Are you ready? I think you're ready. What's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I don't know how beautiful this will change, but we do have FOMC tomorrow, so I would expect this to be quite slow. So we will see if Denise and the Hows want to hang out. How's everybody doing? Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Is Billy Goat Tails live right now?
You could, follow tops and follow bottoms, and you could reinvest that and do things
I could
with it.
stream them while
Logically,
streaming.
I understand it. I just don't want to give up my Bitcoin myself.
I love these guys,
Richard,
man.
I see you. Come on up, Richard. I know you got all kinds of thoughts on this, so I can't.
Are we in the
bring
crypto
you
bear
up for
market
sure.
yet?
And you too, Rocco. I know Rocco has thoughts on this, but
I love
I see
these guys.
Stardogs has got a microphone. What's going on, Dylan?
We stream in the stream.
What's going on, guys?
here.
How are
Good
you?
to see you, man.
Doing good. Yeah.
Good to see you.
Can you believe the Leafs are losing to
Yeah, no, I love the conversation.
Buffalo?
I
right
agree
now?
with you. I think we are close to seeing.
Mute. I love these guys, man. All right, rolling over here. What are we looking at here? Pink box, man. I don't know how long typically the average Bitcoiner lasts in a pink box, guys. Okay, I don't have statistics on that. I would guess they're trading on a 5-second time frame when they enter a pink box. Most Bitcoiners. Okay, this is definitely not just a Bitcoiner. This must be a whale. Okay, because he has been in this pink box since 3 o'clock this afternoon. He's just chilling in it. I like Solana for a long here. He's just chilling in it. I don't know. You tell me. Solana's got to be at VWAP, yeah? Well, I hate Asia VWAP, man. What do you think? More than a 2-pump chump. All right. What's Billy Goat Tail saying, man? I love these guys. Are they just talking smack tonight?
Just those few candles. You know, that's ETH's whole life. That's the whole market cap of ETH. Silver did that in just a few candles.
I'm going to share this.
Well, then think about, there's a lot of people that, have assumptions of how much liquidity is going to move into the market when the Clarity Act finally goes through. I'll
share that out.
There's people talking trillions that could move into the market.
Trillions of dollars. Are you guys bullish or bearish tonight, man? I gotta know. Bitcoin looks good. Solana, I think it's gonna follow. I'm gonna get long on Solana here. Take it up to the highs. That's the goal for tonight. I don't know about your goals. These are my goals tonight. What's going on, John? NW, Megamax, good to see you. New Earth Guardian, good to see you. Cubanadian, Asia 888. That is the one, man. You would never knew we were in a bear market. Ni hao, what's going on? 8 Breath, good to see you, man. Don't breathe too hard, man. Bitcoin's gonna break out tonight. All night long. What's Bitcoin doing? Let's actually look at Bitcoin. What do we see here? So we're in the pink box. We have bullish CVD. We're above VWAP. Okay. Bullish CVD above VWAP, trying to push out here. A little bit of exhaustion on this last high. Okay, not fully committed to it yet. Hanging out in the pink box. Solana, holding VWAP, trying to push out as well. I like Solana here better. I would like Solana to come up to these highs in here. Bullish CVD, no net shorts. Really failing to push here, though. Bitcoin's not. Bitcoin's ready to go. Bitcoin's like tango time, man. Are we really going to watch this like slowly? We got 103 people in here. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Bitcoin's trying to go here. Sol's going to try and catch up right now. I'm telling you. Sol's got a little catching up to do. The problem is that Bitcoin is in a flat top right now. Flat top, right? We got this all the way across. Sorry, horrible drawing. Right? That's the only issue right now. 12-minute. Solana, we do have a mitigation here. So we do have a structure change here on Solana, like a break of the low here. Retest back in. And a lot of liquidity below. We could short Solana into the low here. Sweep on Solana right now. Into this lower block. If we can get an SFP here, I'm long. If we can SFP here, I'm long. Bitcoin needs to bounce. Uptrending momentum here on Bitcoin, trying to hold. We didn't take the low just yet. Considering along. Considering. Not yet. Bitcoin's got to bounce here. 1 minute. Come on, Come on, Bitty. I like this. Push. Push. Sorry, guys. Gotta go. No. Wrong way. Wrong way. Go. Gotta hate Asia liquidity. Beautiful. Up 200. Stop loss to entry. I told you guys I would long. I told you guys. Push ya nambe pambe. Let's go. GG's in the chat, man. Look at that. Who's doing it live with ya during the Asian session? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to walk and roll? Do you guys like oil or powder? I know Mark Dutch, he goes for both. He like both. He like oil and powder same time. Same time, same guy. Oh. I am so like... Did you guys see like... Okay, this is the funniest shit ever, okay? This is shows you how fucked up YouTube is, okay, everybody? You want to see how fucked up YouTube is? All right, today I was featured, everybody, okay? All of a sudden, my video popped up, and it was like, you're a feature, walk and woe. Yeah, walk and woe, sushi time. So simple. When you hear me, you'll be like, wow, I don't believe. Okay? What's up, everybody? So when you take into account, all of a sudden, I got this pop-up on my channel, right? And like, I just talked. This morning, we hit like 5 good trades. We were fucking on fire, man. Talking so much shit. Having a great time. Okay, walking and rolling. Okay. Have you heard of Inner Pacific Mall? Yeah, that's in North Toronto District. Incredible. Okay. Okay, you go to Markham in Canada. Markham, Ontario. Anyways, like, it's so bad that, like, look at this, guys. Like, all of a sudden, okay, I'm doing ASMR bean flicks. Okay, look, I get a notification. This is fucked up, man. I get a notification that I'm featured. I'm fucking featured on YouTube, guys. I get it. Guys, great fucking long, by the way. Great long. You guys are absolute champs. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Who's doing it with you guys? Every night, man. 155 people in here taking the long, printing money every single day. Oh, we ready to walk and whoa. Okay. Yeah, let's go. 1's in the chat. My gang, man. Nobody's slang like the gang, okay? We kicking ass, taking names, and talking shit at the same time, okay? This is how fucked up YouTube is, guys. I get a notification that I'm featured, okay? I'm YouTube featured. Right when I'm talking about fucking flicking the bean. Look, YouTube featured this morning. I am YouTube featured. And what am I doing, guys? Okay. This is what I'm doing. YouTube, guys. Bean flicker. I could be that guy. Just flicking beans on the YouTube, guys. Bean flicker. That would be my ASMR name. I'm fucking featured. Bean flicks. Okay? Bean flicks. Featured. Okay. Bean flicks. For everybody to watch. And I just flick beans all day and get paid. That's the line. And you buy all the different things that I flick so that you could have the same experience too. I don't know where I'm going with this. Tommy, you buy all the different things that I flick so that you could have the same experience too. That's so fucked up. YouTube's fucked, man. I mean, I come on here and talk like an Asian guy. I'm Caucasian. But like, how the... Featured for flicking beans this morning, guys. Hello. Hi. I'm AlexOCrypto. I'm here. We're doing ASMR bean flicking. Here we're going to do it again. Here we're going to do the Xbox controller tonight, guys. All right. I'll do the toggle. There's the toggle. We'll flick it. Oh yeah, I got the thick gauge Olfa knife. You want the rubber side or the metal side? We also have the Otter Gang mugs. You can find them on the website. Sounds pretty hollow, like my brain. All right, let me know. Guys, submit what you would love for me to flick. Because I'm featured. And motherfucker, we long. We are, holy smokes, we are long. Look at that. They almost stopped me out, but I'm featured, so they didn't. Market maker's like, this guy's featured, so we won't stop him out. Up $450. Should we close it out, guys? Or are we just going to continue to talk smack and be featured? Jeez. YouTube's messed up, man. Like, I know... Okay, I know I take trades that show the trades that provide some value. But there's people here who actually, like, do research and stuff. And take altcoins and do a whole bunch of altcoins for people and care, right? People ask me for an altcoin. I go like this and I'm like, oh, I wouldn't fucking touch that. That's my altcoin analysis. You know? You know, go over to Lunar Beach's Crypto. He'll look at your altcoins and stuff and he'll give you some good levels to look at. I ain't going to give you shit. I just take trades with you. I did 4 items. I better be featured now, Silvio. Okay. Drink the bean flicker juice live from Canada. Let's go, Andrew Cameron. I enjoy saying altcoins look like shit. We were flicking beans. We were featured. We're up $450 by flicking beans. I'm telling my wife this. I got to say goodnight to my son. I'll be right back. The only ovary pattern is the only pattern I know. See? I know my crowd. Flicking beans. One at a time. Only one for me.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame.
Price always goes up when I leave.
Ain't about the trade.
That's why we're in the long.
Get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB.
Don't look at me for the TRB.
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. Look at this thing, man. Great trade, everybody. Good entry. SFP, bounce, continuation. Put a 1 in the chat if I should close it. Put a 2 in the chat if I should close it at this high. Put a 3 in the chat if I should hold it to Valhalla. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. In the place to be. What's up, everybody? I need 1s and 2s and 3s. What's up, everybody? Hold it to Valhalla. 3, 2.5. Oh, a little bit higher than that. I think 2.5 means take profit here and then leave the full runner out. I think that's what we'll do. I mean, crazy, isn't it? Crazy for feeling so lonely. I think I'm going to take it here and let it run. We didn't get no follow through on that move there, so I'll take it here and let her go for a jog, you know? Always take her swimming. If you're going to wife her, always make sure you take her swimming. That applies to you, Wave Cypher. I know you out on that dating spree. I know you out checking out those hotties. Don't tell them you're a day trader. Say you're a chart analyst or a financial advisor. Or what do you work in? Finance. Okay. I finance. I press. For me, I'm married, right? So I just say, which I don't do because I don't go out on dates, but when people ask me what I do for a living, I say I'm a button clicker. I click buy and I click sell. That's it. I'm also a button pusher. I push my wife's buttons. You're a chart analyst. A marine biologist. Just a bean flicker, Bruce. What was the total risk on that trade when you first made it, if I don't ask? $800,000, Bad Baptist. 800,000, my friend. Now you're a beam flicker. That's it. What's up, Jordan? Good to see you, man. Baru, good to see you. Bad Baptist, good to see you as well. Well, I'm from Calgary, where the Caesar was born. I guess it is for now. What kind of Caesar do you want? Could I have the spicy bean flicker, please? Bruce, I'm your neighbor. I live in Alberta too. I'm an hour west in the mountains. Or maybe an hour and a half, depending on where you are in Calgary, the Scottish Highlands of Canada. Yeah, I did risk 800K to make 200. That is exactly right. And I took profits right away. That is exactly right. Okay. You look here. I got in here. I got in late. I took profit here right away. That was the bulk of it, 75% out. You can see here we got $410 worth of fees. Expensive, this one. But yeah, man, I put 75%, which is around $800. Yeah, 800,000. So it was not cheap. But my invalidation was closing below the entry. I wanted follow through all the way up, and I got it. It was an instantly break even trade, is what it was, which is great. I like those trades. Bro, get the F out of there. Go to a civilization. Vancouver. Dude, I've been to Vancouver. I did I did 45 days on the road trip through all of BC and Alberta. And Vancouver, it's gone downhill, man. For the cost of living, Hastings Street. We went and gave a lot of the homeless there. We donated. Me and my wife donated sleeping bags and food and everything like that. Gave away some camping gear and stuff. $800K position size, Bad Baptist. $800K position size. There's a lot of homelessness. You want a real winter? Yeah, I lived in England and Scotland for 2 years. And it was, I hate that kind of weather, man. Damp. I'm going to close this out here, guys. This is looking a little weak right now. Look at this. I'm going to close that out there, guys. GG's in the chat. Happy days. Happy days equal highs. Nice trade. Your featured video could have been the one about cock or Zuzamin floss. Yeah, we did talk about me having the greatest cock of a month. That was a great month. You guys were all cheering me on. I really appreciate the support of the cock. We were talking about the cocking here, and the flex, right? The flex cock, Alex Flex. It's good cock, man. And I did. I made 147 in November, not 150. Let's be accurate, please. $3,000 is a lot of money to some people. Sorry, I'm replying to Jason Casper about going to Italy. And he says there's too many carbs. And I said it's not carbs, it's carbonara. Carbonara. Okay, it's healthy carbs. There's no such thing as bad carbs in Italy. Look at it go now. I'm a bitch for closing that. Tex-Mex Biomex. I was just over in Billy Goat Tail saying hello to you guys, but good to see you, man. How you doing? I'm going to come to Vegas, I'm pretty sure. We're going to do an Otter Gang meetup. where everybody can take pictures of me. You might have to take a knee though. I'm 5'3", so you might have to take a knee when we do the photo, okay? You know what's the funniest thing is that, like, in the Otter Gang picture, I'm the biggest otter. Look, I'm the tallest, biggest, fattest otter in all of the Otter Gang here. You see? You see, that's me right there. I'm right here. I'm not that tall. I promise you that. But hey, I'm featured for talking about, you know, bean flicking, baby. From one bean flick to another. Badass otter, Alex. Thanks, Rick. Was the VIP for only new customers? My link wouldn't work. Open up a ticket in the Discord, Alan. If you open up a ticket in the Discord, I can get you it. But you can just use another email. You should have multiple emails so that you can use different promos for different exchanges. But if you don't want to do that, you can open up a ticket in the Discord. Just come over to the Discord here. Go over to tickets. Okay, open up a ticket and send me your UID, and I'll get you hooked up with the super deal on Bitunix here. Sacrificing myself for all of you guys. And if you don't know about the deal and you want the deal, exclusive deal for the beautiful community here that, you know, I love. I never talk about fucking exchanges ever. But 6 months, man. I've never seen a 6 month VIP 3, guys. 30% discount on all trading fees. I mean, it's pretty sick, guys. So you can use that link there, and that will hook you up. That'll hook you up. Good evening, Yo Brando. You are working? I'm always working. Good to see you, James, Baru, Bearded Mac. Always happy to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here and being part of the family. Only Vancouver, yeah. The Canucks suck too, man. It'd be good to watch some bad hockey. Where do I see Solana going? I'd like to come for the highs. Overextended right now. Bitcoin looks like it's going to break down, actually. Yeah, a little bit weak sauce here. Little bit weak sauce on Bitcoin right now. At the bottoms, though, so typically at the bottom, bull div in here. Trying to push out. Just no real strength right now. How about that NASDAQ, everybody? All-time highs? Almost all-time highs. Look at that. Not far. SPY all-time highs. That was beautiful. Opening up. All-time highs on the SPY. My God. Everything except crypto is going to the moon. It's fucking sad. Hey, great trade, everybody. Is everybody still long? I'm not long, but I'm happy to see you guys win. I'm happy to see y'all win. It actually, like, floats my boat. If you're not in the Discord, I mean, ask everybody in the Discord. I spoon-fed this morning. Everybody in the Discord. We all got long. Where was it? Guys, we all got long where? Here on the Discord? Right here? Oh my God. Great job, everybody. I re-entered it over in here and I made another like 3,000. So then I fucked up in here. I tried to short here and I fucked up here. But in the Discord, we ended the stream and then went live and then we got long here. So good, man. Good job, everybody, today. We've been absolutely spoon feeding in that Discord. It's been so good. I love seeing it. There's only one good hockey team in Canada this year. Let's not talk about Montreal, okay? I do not want to talk about Montreal. Otherwise, I will mute you if Montreal goes. I'm a Leafs fan, so if you put Montreal in my chat, I will mute you till tomorrow. I promise you that. Can I ask you something about TradingView? Of course, man. How do you attach the long with the candles? Oh, just hold control, man. So you just control is your magnet. So you can see over here, magnet tool. So if you hold control, it'll do all the magneting for you. Okay. And then if you put it down and you hold shift, it'll do 45s and it'll do horizontals. Shift will do straight up and downs. All right, shift, control will do the magnet for you, okay? So you just magnet to all the highs in here. Okay, you can also hit control and shift and click on a trend line. So you click on a trend line, control shift, and how do you duplicate it? There you go, control shift. See, you can duplicate shit too. Control shift, control shift, control shift. Control shift. It's the same line. Control shift. Look at that magic shit. Yeah, man. Then obviously, if like you draw something, you can Control Z, right? Control Z, undo it. Double click the sidebar. Will refresh your center. There's also a refresh button in the middle down here. That'll center you as well. Yeah, man, lots of little tips and tricks to keep the chart kind of clean. And right, if you just want to do the ray, you hold shift here. So you know if it sweeps that high, right, you can look for the sweep up in here, boop. Right, you know this is horizontal, right? Little tricks help you. Control and drag also works for copying. There you go. Control drag. Yeah, very nice. This is kind of ugly right now. Looks like it's going to roll over. What's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, Bitcoin's losing momentum here. Bitcoin's sweeping the low here. I mean, this is Bart Simpson. If there's a Bart Simpson, we've been hanging out in the pink box for so long. I mean, she's got to be tired. If you get Stream Deck, you can shortcut. I got Stream Deck like on the side of my keyboard here. I could hit like all these different buttons, but I mean, we got too many buttons right now. Too many buttons. Could you explain what a Prime Oscillator Pro is? Does it work in conjunction with Market Cipher B? Also, shout out to the Red Doberman and the Otter Gang, man. I want to buy a Doberman, so John Foster Crypto is supposed to hook me up when I'm ready. So Prime Oscillator, the only things that I use personally are the True 7, the Peak Seekers, these blue dots, Peak Seekers, and well, these are divergences, and this is exhaustion levels up top here. Okay, I mean, you can use whatever you want from it. I am an instructor at Chart Prime, so this is mine, True 7 signals. True 7 is the powerful one. This thing down here, very powerful, if you know what you're looking for. And then market cipher over top of it. Because market cipher is handy. We'll call it that, handy. It helps with bias and stuff. Sorry, I was responding to my fellow Canadian. For my eyes only. Gotta hook him up with that Bitunix deal, you know? Fellow Canadians are important. True 7 is the only with plus subscription. I'm not exactly sure how the subscriptions work. I think it's the Oscillator Pro Plus, yeah. You know what's the funniest shit ever? I got them to put the True 7 on there, right? I helped them build this oscillator. And now the updated version, you can see here, the updated version, it's fucking turned off. If you update this thing, the True 7 isn't even flicked on. Look, you go here. This part is turned off. You'll see if you have it. Crazy, man. They just want me to have more alpha than everyone else. I don't know. Good times, man. Good times. This does not look good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it can fall off a friggin' cliff. Great long on Solana. Bitcoin rolls over. So does Solana, though. Trying to hold here. Nice hold. Nice hold. Let's go. Let's go. How's everybody doing tonight? Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Trade silver. Help Chart Prime with their bots. It's not possible, man. I don't know what to do with their bots. Their bots are I won't say anything. I only trade with one bot. That's Minotaur, and it's like 10K to use. It's not cheap, but it fucking prints. It prints. I've had it running for 6 months. It makes me about 3% a week. It fucking prints, man. It's so good. 10-minute time frame. It prints. Back-tested results. It fucking prints, guys. I'm telling you. Even in that October 10th crash, guys, it's been printing. But it's not cheap. It's not cheap. I promise you that. I promise you that. It's the only one I've ever used. And believe me, I'm not a tech guy at all. I suck at tech stuff. But every time I hear a little ding, my bot's printing. 3% a month. 4% a month. Phenomenal. Look at this. Buying the laddering in. Long. Exit. Just slowly and surely printing me money. The only one I've ever used that has worked. Solana pump and dump. That's very cheeky here. Very cheeky price action, guys. This last half hour here, this in here has been very, very ugly. No touchy. Back down. Check your chat with Alex. Don Cherry and Eric Lindros. Oh my god. I don't know if we can play that on there. I'll get canceled, man. I'm not going to play that live right now. I'll watch it later, I promise you that. What's the score in the Leafs and Sabres game? I was watching it, but then we were losing 4-3. Final game? No, what's the score? Why won't it tell me? That's weird. It won't tell me the score. Look at Bitcoin rolling over right now. Solana about to lose VWAP, guys. No good. Commercial break. Yeah, this is coming down. This is coming down, guys. Oh, the game's over. 7-4? What? $7-4? You're taking the piss. 7-4? Is this American football? Oh my god, we lost 7-4. We are filthy elite. Oh my god. We're so bad. How can we subscribe to the bot? So it's through Minotaur. It's through my affiliate. Minotaur Trading Systems. It's this link right here. That's the bot, but it's like 10 grand, bro. So I put like 50 grand on it, right? You put like a good chunk of money, 3% a month. Who doesn't like 30% a year, right? It's a white glove service. They do everything for you. You book a call with them. They book you in. You get the call. They explain it to you. You get ownership rights to the trading bot. They set it up for you. They set up the exchange for you. It's your money. It's all controlled by you. You don't have to do anything. They set it up. You just let it run. They connect it to the exchange for you, right? Like mine is through BitGet, which is in Canada. Let me sign in. My Minotaur bot. So you go Wonder Trading. You create a Wonder Trading account. When you create your Wonder Trading account, you connect your Wonder Trading bot. Okay, here's the Wonder Trading dashboard. So you go to your positions here. You can see that it's in it's in a whole bunch of longs right now. These are open position live, but you can see the history for like the past 3 months, right? So right now there's no positions closed right now, so it's been opening trades slowly over time, right? It says it's down 500, down 700, right? But what happens once price returns, this can take drawdown to, I think it's $12,000 Bitcoin. So this will continue to ladder in, right? Right? It'll continue to ladder in, and it can take drawdown all the way to 12K, guys. Like, is Bitcoin ever going to go to 12K? I don't think so. So it'll ladder in all these positions, and then as it moves up, boom, 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 you get paid so well. So it's pretty incredible how it works. It's not a grid bot. No, there's no way it's a grid bot, man. Grid bots are absolute shit, man. Bitunix and all that stuff. I've worked with Bitunix. It's fucking garbage. It's all garbage. Minotaur is like an algorithmic trading bot that does it for you, and you don't have to set it up. I'm a carpenter. I don't know how to set up a bot. I don't know how to use PineScript. I don't know how to use, a webhook code thingy mabobber. Okay, like I had no fucking idea what I was doing. And click this, click that, click this, click that, click this, click that. They walked me through it, step by step. We had Costa, the owner. We had him on the show. He's on vacation. We're going to do another segment with him when he comes back. Great guys, Australian, good people. No bullshit. Not trying to sell you anything. Well, they are. They're trying to sell you a product that actually works, though, which is rare in crypto. Great Solana trade. Little sweep of the high. Continuation down here. No strength here. This is looking like it needs to roll over, everybody. I would be short. If I was in a trade right now, I'd be short. But I'm not. We've taken, whatever, 500 out of the market tonight. That's a good job. I'm not here to complicate things anymore. Good evening from Fort Lauderdale. Good to see you, guy. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Beautiful short here. Bitcoin's Bart Simpsoning, right? So like this is very clearly needs to come here. Minimum here. It will hit here first and probably bounce. That could be your second entry in here. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Pink box, man. I don't understand how it stayed in there so long. I shorted up here. And then I hit it and quit it kind of deal. I wish this rolled over properly, but it didn't. Retest to previous lows on Solana here. Short opportunity. Short. Fair value gap in here. So you're looking right here. Continuation down to the lows. Interesting. A little bit of bullish momentum here. That was a quick slap. No strength. What's CBD saying? A little bit of buyers stepping up here. We're below VWAP here though on Solana. Not looking for this was Captain Obvious. This sweep here was Captain Obvious. This is a little bit janky right now. So you're looking in here. That's where you'd be looking, is it right in here? The imbalance, fair value gap, VWAP slab. You can all see it. It would look something like that. The only thing is we have momentum coming back up and in, so it's a little bit more risky. A little bit, not bad, but a little bit more risky. I can hear my wife. She's getting the frosted flakes, guys. I'm telling you, as a family, we never, ever have cereal in the house. We never eat cereal, okay? We are healthy. We eat very well. But my wife bought frosted flakes. I hear her pouring it into the bowl right now. That's how you know when the dog smells the dog food? That's me right now. Do I use Market Cipher B? I would assume so. I'm sponsored by Market Cipher. CryptoFace sponsors this channel. He was my first sponsor, man. I guess you gotta be a kind of a ninja to have eyeballs like that, right? You guys all see the fair value gap, right? You guys all see it, right? I ain't just playing tricks on you guys, am I? Did anybody short that? It's utter crap, yeah. Frosted Flakes are just like... The fucking milk is so good. It's so weird. The milk is so good. It's like crack. Like I've never done crack, but I mean, it's because my wife makes her own bread. We make our own pizzas. We do everything's cooked at home. We eat very healthy. No cookies, nothing, guys. Maybe a little Danish when we're out once a week or something like that, but never do we eat shite, you know? But now, I don't know. After I've been sick, my wife started buying this food, and I'm like, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. I'm just trying to be better. We eat really healthy. If we didn't, then, I wouldn't get so horny over fucking Frosted Flakes, but that's it. They're there. Guys, I'm tired. I'm going to send you guys over to Geo. I'm going to be live tomorrow all day long. FOMC, guys. I'm going to do a 24/7 hour, 365 ASMR live stream. Constant live stream, maybe. We'll go live at least 4 or 5 times tomorrow. Or at least twice for 5 hours. How about that? I love you guys, man. I'm going to send you over to Geo. Go over there, throw some otters in the chat for me. Good trade tonight. We took a good trade. I'll see you guys over there. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. I'm going to go eat some fucking Frosted Flakes. I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. like space, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
You can do it for me then.